Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Arkadeep Khashnobish. I hope everybody is doing well and staying safe. Today I'm back again on YouTube with another new video. So basically it's gonna be a series of video. So basically we are going to Chennai for a trip. So today's video is Chennai trip day 1. So I will be vlogging every day there. I will be taking y'all along with me. So yeah, I'm very excited as we are going for a trip after a very long time, after I think 2 long years since I had board exams and so many things, but that COVID was also there, just because of which we were not able to travel anywhere. So I'm really very excited. My packing is almost done and currently it's now 12:45 p.m. Yeah, I just woke up few minutes back because I had to do a lot of packing yesterday night. Now I have to brush, I have to freshen up, I need to have my food, and there is still some packing left. So I will see y'all after doing all the necessary work. Hi everyone, so currently it's 2:15 p.m. right now and I just had my lunch few minutes back. My packing is also done. Now I need to get ready. We need to reach the airport by 3 p.m. as our flight will take off sharp at 5 p.m. So I need to hurry up. I also need to cross check whether I have packed everything or not, whether all the bags and luggages are packed properly. So see you all after getting ready. So guys, finally I'm ready. It's currently 2:30 p.m. now and we are going to leave for the airport now. All packing done and yes, I'm really very excited. See you all after reaching the airport. We have finally reached the airport. It's currently 3:35 p.m. and we have got the boarding pass. Let me show it to you all. This is the boarding pass and I am traveling to Chennai with my family. This is my mom, Arkadeep Khashnobish. This is my sister. You all have seen her before in my videos, Mosam Khashnobish. This is my dad. So we all are very excited to travel to Chennai. So all our security checking and everything is done and now finally we are relaxing. We are at a coffee shop inside the airport and we are gonna have some coffee. I'm having a cup of black coffee, as you all can see, and just relaxing for some time. I don't know when the flight will take off. So guys, we are still waiting for the flight. And how are you feeling, Mosam?
I'm feeling great and I'm super excited.
Yes, we both are excited to travel. We still have 1 more hour to wait. So yeah, keep watching the vlog and enjoy. So guys, it's currently 4:29 p.m. and we have boarded the plane. The plane hasn't taken off yet. I don't know when it will take off, but yes, we all are seated.
Hello.
So yeah, we all are seated inside the plane. We don't know when it will take off. So yes, keep watching the vlog and enjoy. How are you feeling?
I'm feeling really good. It is also very comfortable.
How much excited you are?
Very excited.
Okay, that's really good. I am also very excited. hopefully the flight will arrive, like flight will land by, I don't know the exact time, maybe 6 p.m. or something. Let's see. We are enjoying, and you always keep watching the video. So guys, it's currently 6:10 p.m. and our aircraft Air India has provided us with some meal. I will show you all what's there in the food. This is the meal which I have received right now. I will show you what's there. This is sandwich, and this is a cup for making coffee. I guess bottle of water. I will open it and showing it to you. The French fries, and don't know what is this. This is a cake, and that's all what I am having. So let me enjoy my food now. Keep watching. Guys, it is 7:22 p.m. right now and the plane has landed. We have reached Chennai and just we are waiting to board out of the plane. So guys, we have reached Chennai airport and just we are waiting to collect our luggage, and after which we will be departing for our hotel. Hey guys, so currently it's 8:07 p.m. and we are on our way to the hotel. The hotel is actually 25 kilometers from the airport, so it's gonna be a long journey. So see you all after reaching the hotel. Hey guys, so as I showed you all, we have reached the hotel and now currently I'm in the hotel's room. I need to freshen up. I have ordered the dinner also. So after freshening up, within a while we will be served the dinner. So see you all after freshening up. Hi everyone, so I have freshened up and now I'm just relaxing and resting. Our dinner has also been served. I will be having my dinner now. I'll be showing you all what I'm having for dinner. Hey guys, so I have completed having my dinner. I had mixed noodles and chili chicken for dinner. The food was nice, but it was the chili chicken and everything was a bit spicy. And you know what happened today? Today for the very first time I had noodles with hand. There was not a single fork or spoon to have the food with. But yeah, it was a nice experience. Today is day 1 and yeah, the day went well. Now I'm at Chennai. There are many more places to visit. So day 1's vlog gonna end now. I'm gonna end the vlog now. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you really enjoyed watching the video, then please subscribe to my YouTube channel, share this video with your friends and family, and hit the thumbs button. It would really mean a lot to me. So that's all. Stay safe, take care, and stay tuned. Day 2's vlog is coming very soon. Bye bye.